the buzz today, but we've got a new twist for the holiday.
Cooking with Dean.
I'm just so happy to be inside in the air conditioning.
Oh, yeah.
You're being outside in the sun all morning. This old bald head can't take that. We were cooking up a storm this morning. There's not a lot going on entertainment during the holidays, so instead of our usual buzz, I thought I'd recap some of the grilling that I did on the morning show today. Has to be delicious, has to be easy. Some things that are perfect for your get-togethers. A minestrone potato pasta salad. I call it that because it's all of the things that you would put in minestrone soup. Now, there's some boiled potatoes that I did last night, a variety of some macaroni, about equal portions of both. Then I grilled up some vegetables as well. There's a couple of different zucchinis in there, some roasted red peppers, some asparagus. You mix it all together. And then, those are white beans. All the things that you would put in minestrone soup. And then to mix it up, I don't put mayonnaise in. I don't like mayonnaise on hot days at, picnics and things. You could use oil and vinegar. I use pesto.
Nice.
Delicious pesto. It's basically, basil and ground pine nuts and oil together.
This is all about prep work.
Mixed work. Right? It is a little bit, but it really doesn't take very long. Also this morning, I dropped a lot of things this morning too while I was cooking. Also this morning, I made the lime butter salmon. I roasted the salmon on the grill. Super easy when you roast it on the grill. Salt and pepper on it.
That's a big chunk.
But it lifts right off of the skin. It could not be any easier.
Good.
And then I'd made up it's butter, it's lime, and a little bit of garlic. Drizzles over the salmon, super delicious. I always make pizza whenever I'm grilling on the show. And today I made chicken pesto pizza. Pesto on the pizza crust, some chicken, some mozzarella cheese, also Hawaiian barbecue pizza, which is pineapple and some chunks of ham with barbecue sauce on the pizza, really great. And also a classic margarita pizza. All of those just go right on the grill for about 7 minutes and slice it up and it'll be a big hit. Also, lemon pepper chicken legs. This is really kind of, finger food. Salt and pepper on the chicken. I marinated it in lemon overnight, put it on the grill, turning it about every 5 minutes or so for about 20-25 minutes. You want to make sure the chicken is done. And then at the end, I drizzle it with a honey butter and lemon together, and it is so good together. I use a meat thermometer. You got to get over 160 degrees on poultry to be safe. So thank you to our friends at Jewel-Osco. They always help us with our grilling segments. I've got all the recipes up at WGNTV.com/Dean's List. Happy grilling, everyone, over the 4th.
I always take your recipes. I love that you do this.
Are you looking for a new career or something?
Everybody's saying I should do a cooking show. I'm not busy enough already? Come on now.
Hey, cooking with Dean.
I do enjoy it. You don't get a lovely figure like this without enjoying cooking. So.
Can I ask you a very quick question? Did you make the dough homemade before you put it on the grill?
You can. Just for TV time, you got to do it quick. So I bought those pre-made ones already.
Okay.
I grill it on one side, flip it over, put the toppings on, and then you call it a day.
All right.
Super easy.
Every
that
day
sounds great.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dean.
All right.
Coming up next, a preview of an